Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and cool hacks. So first we are making a ladybug by using some cutouts in red and black color. Now join the cutouts and place the eyes and just detail it with black marker and your ladybugs are ready. Next we have taken some equal pages of this different colored sheet and then cutting it out as you can see. After that we've got the main body part of this reindeer that we are making here. Just place it on the white paper, place the tail cut out, make hands out of it and you can see your reindeer is done. Next we are taking a pink square sheet and then just folding it for the markings as you can see. You can also mark with pencil for this and then after that you fold it from the front and from the back again so that you can get this type of design. Now cut out the excess like we are doing so that we can fold it just like this. Now you get your bow, your beautiful bow. You can make this very easily and it's done. Let's move to another hack. Here we are taking a square orange sheet and then folding it from the front. After that folding it again and then we get the markings to fold. What we are doing here is we are making this box very easily. You can use different colored sheet. After that as you can see you can secure it with glue also and you can see your box is ready. You can use it for storage or for decoration purpose or for anything. Next we are taking this blue sheet also and folding it similarly from the front but we are folding it from the back at the second time and then you get your markings again and then fold it again from the inside. Just follow the steps what we are doing here and you can see you got your cap for your cute pumpkin and then you can place it around your pumpkin and then you can use it for any purposes like Halloween or for decoration. Just a little bit of detailing on the face of this pumpkin with black marker. You can use many more detailing you want. Here it is already looking so cool. Just last step is joining them together and do the face and it's ready. Next we are taking a green sheet and then we are folding it out accordingly from the back and from the front so that we can get the markings and then just mold it according to the marks. After that you can see you get your jumping frog so easily. Now you can detail the frog with the black marker and some more cutouts for the legs and then place the eyes on your frog. Next we are taking a pink sheet in a square form and then folding it from the front and from the sides also. By taking another sheet and placing rubber in between, you can see your airplane is ready. Thanks for watching.